Physiology in Medicine Immune System 2025. Two American scientists and one Japanese scientist got a Nobel Prize Physiology in Medicine 2025 and go about immune system, how to work immune system in body. These are prevent microbes. So thanks a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Saguchi say time will come when cancer is no longer scary but curative. We identify immune system security. Here is the research from the Nobel Prize Physiology in Medicine in the cancer research and in the research of the field immunology. How to immunology is the first line of defense. So there is two scientists from the USA, America, and one scientist is Japan. That is the Simon Sakaguchi, and from the Japan, and Fred Ramsdell, and Mary E. Barco from the USA. Got a Nobel Prize Physiology in Medicine 2025. It is a great achievement in this field of the immunology. So if you new in our channel, so don't forget subscribe and share the biology mystery, and press the bell icons and subscribe my YouTube channel Biology Mystery, who comes a new update from all these biological fields and otherwise. Thank you so much. Life is like a wine, and also Biology Mystery, it is our channel of the YouTube. So here Barco is a senior program manager, Institute for the System Biology in the state, while the Ramsdell is a scientific advisor, and Sonoma Biotherapeutics Reputed San Francisco. He is appointed Francisco, and Sakaguchi got the congratulatory and phone call from the Japanese PM Shigeru Ishiba during the research, who asked him how effective immunotherapy could be the cancer treatments in the future. Japanese PM called the phone from the Shigeru Ishiba, PM Shigeru Ishiba, to the Sakaguchi, and he asked him how effective immunotherapy could be the cancer treatments in the future. I believe that is the time we have the cancer is no longer scary. Cancer is no longer scary. It is no longer scary, but it is the curable one, said Sakaguchi. The Nobel jury earlier said the hope is to be able to treat the autoimmune disease, provide the more effective cancer treatments, and prevent seriously complications after them cell transplants. Later, Barco later told the Nobel Foundation he has been sleeping when the call came. My career in the science has changed quite a bit since then. Work I don't. I don't actually even work in the particular field anymore, she said. It is invented for the foundations of the website. It is an honor to have been a part of that. Ramsdell has still not been contacted, however, after the announcement. Here, research by the Mary E. Barco and Fred Ramsdell and Dr. Samura and Dr. Simon Sakaguchi explains how the body regulates its immune response and keep the immune system from the attacking itself. The researchers identify the so-called regulatory T cells. these scientists show how the T cells work, and so which function like the immune system security guard. 1995, Sakaguchi discovered the reason why the immune system does not attack our body more frequently, and so the new identified class of the immune system named regulatory T cells. And 2000s, Burko and Ramsdale find the way of the specific type of mouse is a particular vulnerable, and so 2003 Sakaguchi linked the finding to his discovery, providing that the FOXP3 genes govern the development of the regulatory T cells. Means the genes is responsible for the T3 and the FOXP3 genes, which is responsible for the development of the regulatory T cells, which is responsible for the T cells. Here the thymus T cells. How to harmful T cells are the eliminated. T cell mature in the thymus, and the one that recognize the body own protein are sorted and removed. First, every T cell has a uniquely shaped T cell receptor on its surface. Second, special cells in the thymus hold out the fragments of the body on protective protein to the T cells. Third, T cells that attack the part of the body protein are eliminated. Number 4, T cells that cause the test to go out into the body to look for introduced. This is the report, the source of the Nobel Committee for the Physiology of Medicines, and Matthias Karlén. Third, Matthias Karlén. This is the source, and in this magazine Times Global. So don't forget my channel, subscribe and share and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.